I boarded the cruise ship. I could not find my muster station. So obviously, just don't worry about it. Just don't go, right? Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video, and we'll be talking about some cruise passengers who wrote in a comment that, well, they couldn't find their muster station because we all know that when you get on that cruise ship on embarkation day, there is not a single crew member to be found that could possibly help you. You walk on board and it's just cruise passengers wandering around looking for help, and the crew is gone. They're all hiding below decks. They're not standing around. They're not answering questions. They're not wearing the little vest that says, "Ask me." None of that's happening. It's just lost cruise passengers, right? Now, for every cruise I've been on, that's never ever been the case. Crew members are everywhere. And yeah, I get you're not familiar with the ship layout. You may know that your muster station is, A3, but maybe you don't know where A3 is on board the ship. I myself have asked many crew members, "Hey, I'm looking for muster station A3. Can you please tell me how to get there?" And they will tell you exactly what you got to do to get there. Hey, go up 2 decks and go forward. You're going to run right into it. It's outside the casino. It's in the main theater. Something like that. They will walk you directly to where that muster station is. It's never been an issue and a problem. But we have a comment from someone who swears up and down that's not what happens. They swear up and down that there wasn't a crew member to be found and their muster station was just hiding in the abyss. And so, what do you do in a situation like that? Well, you give up and just don't go, and you make a comment. So, I'm going to share that comment for you. It's going to be read by Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald, and he'll also give his opinion and his take on this comment.
Now, let's crack on with something a little bit of a serious nature. And good morning to Amy Louise, who says, "It is so stressful trying to find your muster station. There is never any crew people to tell you where to go. Not knowing the location of your muster station shouldn't at all be a stress point on boarding day. It should be on the Carnival app, or we should be guided there as soon as we step foot on the ship. Carnival needs to do better if they care about safety. The time we couldn't find it, we gave up, but then Carnival stopped us being able to buy cocktails." So here we go. Well, there are lots and lots of people around, crew members. They're wearing shirts that say, "Ask me," or "Please ask," or "Just ask," or something like that. I can't remember the wording, but they're red shirts. It's also written on the boarding pass that we give you. It's written on your stateroom key, which you will collect a little bit later. And there are crew members everywhere to help you. My advice would be go straight to your muster station. Before you do anything else, safety has been, always will be, long when I'm gone, sitting in a Cleveland, Ohio rest home, safety will always be of a priority nature. Nothing is more important, nothing. And so it is vital that you know how to save your life in a real emergency. And that is why I would go straight to the muster station. Now, I thought I could help with that a little bit. So over the coming days, posting maybe 4 or 5 a day, I will go through the fleet in no specific order because I'm not that organized, and I will post the maps for all the muster stations for all the fleet, and I encourage you to share those with somebody who perhaps is going to be cruising on one of those ships, and then they have it there. I'm sure the Beards are looking at utilizing the app for you.
So there you go. And my first question, do you think this is actually what occurred when they got on the ship? Do you think they got on the ship and they just couldn't find it? Do you think there wasn't a single solitary crew member around to help them locate their muster station? Does anybody believe that at all? Or is there another possibility? Because while I don't believe that there was not a crew member to be found and they wandered around aimlessly until they gave up, they did manage to find the bar, though. They managed to get there. And they reached that magical point in a cruise where they didn't go to their muster drill like you have to do before the ship can depart. and they got cut off at the bar. They got told, no, 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 no drinks for you. You have to go do your muster drill. Now, I'll say I wasn't there. I don't know for a fact one way or the other. But if I'm weighing these two stories, one that says there was not a single crew member to help me or direct me to my muster station, but I found a bar, or possibly the alternative version of we didn't really try very hard to go to our muster station or go at all. Instead, we went to the bar until it got too late and they cut us off. And now we're mad. Now we're upset because we couldn't keep drinking and we had to stop, get up, and go do what we should have done when we first got on board the ship. Which of those two stories do you think is most likely? I know which one I would pick because I read a lot of these comments where the theming is usually pretty much the same. It's, I was gonna do the right thing. I tried, but the cruise line absolutely refused to help me, wouldn't give me the information I needed. There was nobody around to ask. And so this happened to me. I got cut off. And now I'm going to write a comment because I kind of feel victimized by this cruise line. That's just kind of how I look at it. You guys let me know in the comments below. How do you see it? And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.